Hello everyone. Today I'm very happy to share about our client farm. You know, for the Philippine market, currently this years, our clients concerned about the flies, about the chicken manure. So, how to do the chicken manure and upgrade the farm? That is a question. Now we come here to the client farm to share about how we can do. You know, our RETECH from about 2023 years, we promote our new type, Qing type cage equipment in the Philippine market. And also, from 2024 years, we promote our fermenting tank. We call the energy saving fermenting tank here in the Philippine market. Today, I will show you how we can do this. I'm happy to come here to share about our RETECH, how we can do the conversion or how we can do the upgrade from the floor type to the cage type. Here we are in the cage zone, the Qingdao cage zone. The clients have the two farms. One farm have more than 10 buildings. So from 2 years ago, we started the conversion and do the cage type for his farm to upgrade from the floor to the cage. So you can see at my behind is elevator house is the 64 building. One building with the birds is about 45,000 chicken. And also this is our cage type, the cage building. One house is about 100,000 birds. So you can check the bird volume is about 2 times plus. And also the black EC fan is our new type EC fans. It's kind of inverter fan, can change air speed. It's better for the ventilation. So comparing with the floor type and the cage type, this client take about 1 month can finish the one building to install our assembling our cage equipment inside. And also it's also the cage equipment you can complete and get about the automatic feeding and water and drinking and manure cleaning. So at the farm, they also have the fermenting tank and also the rotary dryer machine. So it is a better solution to deal with the fresh manure in the farm. That is why I come here and want to share with you about our clients' information. Now we're so happy to share about our fermenting tank. Our company, RETECH company, we promoted the fermenting tank from 2024 years in the free market. Now you can see at my behind, this is 110 cubic capacity for the fermenting tank. You know, for the Philippine market, if you do the upgrade from the floor type to the cage type, one bird building, the bird capacity will be more than 100,000 birds, or maybe 80,000 birds. So you need to deal with the fresh manure. How to deal with the fresh manure? We give the solution to use the fermenting tank. You can see this fermenting tank is started from 2 years ago. We installation and do the testing, now it's running normally. You can see at behind is the fertilizer. It's the finished product fertilizer. It's very good for the local agriculture. Now this is the 110 cubic fermenting tank. We call the energy saving fermenting tank. Because compared with the general fermenting tank, the capacity can save about 35%. So you can see this is a new type. Capacity is 110, and every day it can deal with about 8 and 10 tons for the fresh manure, with the moisture more than 70% or maybe 80%. After 1 day, you can get the finished product fertilizer. You can see behind is the fertilizer. The fertilizer is no flies, no bad smell, no acid, so it's better for the farm to upgrade because there is no flies, no headache problems. Now this is our rotary dryer at the client farm. This is for the dryer, the manure. Every day you get the fresh manure from the cage building and pour into the dryer, and every day you can get the dryer powder, we call the manure powder. You can see this is the burner. The burner now our engineer is to start the testing for the burner. This is a coconut shell, so we can use this material for the burner to burn inside. And we can get the high temperature to dry the fresh manure. This capacity is about per hour 3 tons. We can deal with the fresh manure and get one, maybe 800 or maybe 900 kilograms for the dryer manure. And also this silo is for the dryer manure or fertilizer to get the pellet stock into this we call the silo, feeding silo. So this is for the storage, the dryer manure storage. And then the dry manure can pour into the burner, still burning. This is a circle solution. We pour into the fresh manure, get the dryer manure powder, then we burning the manure dryer, the dryer manure and into the burner, then we get the hot air. and then go to the dryer again to dry the fresh manure. It's circle working. So at the farm, if you get the fresh manure, and in the farm, you can deal with the fresh manure burning. It is to deal with the fresh manure at the farm. It's okay, thank you.
RETECH Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.